We in Canada, baby! Land of freedom! Jobs! Join us! Join us! Aim! Fire! White City! Help! Help! I'm falling!
Be safe.
After the Vancouver anti-Asian riots of 1907, Chinese and Japanese businesses organized a strike, temporarily closing their shops and halting work to protest the violence, assess the damage, and demand compensation. The riot almost continued, but it never reignited that night. A heavy rain fell on the city, but the damage had been done, the scars would remain, but for that night at least, the storm had silenced the flames.